Today we're going to talk about dark circles. Now, as you grow old, as you age gracefully, I would say, and we're stepping into our 40s, our 50s, and beyond, the skin around our eyes, they're delicate, okay? And they're thin. They start to lose collagen and oil glands, and they get more prone to dryness. They're prone to irritation and pigmentation. And it starts to show the earliest signs of fatigue and aging, and sometimes wrinkles. We don't like to hear that, right? Whew, nobody wants to hear that. So, what you see now is the prominent, dominating look of dark circles, fine lines, a tired look, skin no longer glowing, and puffiness. These tend to overwhelm us, and we think our natural charm is gone. Worst case scenario, you look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, who is this person? This not me. No, this not me. To compound it all, the modern beauty industry has convinced us that makeup and concealers are the only ways to look youthful, radiant, and pretty or well rested. But it doesn't have to be so. There are other natural ways that you can enhance your beauty. You can look radiant again. I don't know if you've ever tried natural oils and butters and powders. This has been a long time in existence. It's old science. Okay? It's the real deal. And that's what we focus on here at Chems Natural. We focus on tackling the problems from their roots, using the natural to get the natural back. In fact, what stands out with natural oils and butters and powders and Ayurveda products and all of those things, like powders that come from not only clay, we talk about powders like plant powders and all of that. What stands out about this natural method of restoring your beauty is that instead of being corrective, it is preventative. It prevents, and it kind of goes there to replenish what's been lost, and it prefers a long lasting and real transformations for your skin. And this is better, far more better than quick fix solutions that the chemicals and every other quick cream, powders, concealers will provide to you. Okay? We guarantee you that if you try this natural method, these natural butters and oils that we have here, we have our oils, we have our butters, we have our powders, and we're presenting this to you and we're advising you. Even if you don't buy from us, you can always get this yourself. Get all these natural things to replenish your skin, to restore your brightened look, to brighten the dark circles around your eyes, to take care of those hyperpigmentations that started to gather around your face and your neck without the need of concealers. You can be beautiful again. You can get your radiance again. You are beautiful, actually. As you are, you are beautiful. You just need a little bit of touch up. You just need to replenish those lost humectants, those lost water liquids, lipids that have gone out of your skin, and that's caused by aging, and it's natural. It is natural. You can be beautiful at any age and stage in your life. Just focus on the right thing and be patient. It takes time. Make it a daily routine. Incorporate this into your daily lifestyle, and I can promise you that you will smile at the mirror again and you'll be like, yes, the real me is back. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like if you want to see more tips like this and you want to know more about your skin, about natural things. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever we come for new video. Enjoy yourself at any stage you are, at whatever age you are at. You are beautiful, you are handsome, and you are you. Bye! Until next time!